Okay, riding the Cap City path. It's open enough to ride on it. We're gonna hit a couple remaining crossings that are still kind of bumpy, so that was more of a typical ramp down to the street level. Maybe like an 8-foot terrace. Here's a ramp down to the street level. Another 6-foot terrace, something like that. Camera might smooth out the bumps, but kind of bumpy, and those were the two of the smoother bumps. The next two crossings are going to be more of a at bike path grade crossing, more of a continuous crossing. There's still going to be a little bit of a bump, but it's going to be so much better than I think what it used to be, which was a pretty jarring bump. So we're heading westbound. We're going to cross Ohio Street, which will be a northbound only street, and then Jackson, which will be a southbound only. So again, it's still mid-construction, but you get a kind of a flavor for this. And I would say that didn't feel any different from just riding over the detectable warning fields that you would kind of hit a couple joint lines, and then that's it. That's much better, I think it's much better than what it was. So that's the first look at the Cap City path.